Respected students, so today we will study about the store procedure, which is one of the most important question which is frequently asked in any data analytics interview. So let us start. What is store procedure? So procedure is a So a procedure is a named SQL block that accepts some input, performs some action, and may or may not return an output. I mean, sometimes suppose we want to update the salary of the employee, so it is not giving any output. It is just making a changes in that column or in that sense only. I mean, we are not updating it. We just want to display it. So that time it doesn't return a output, is simply displayed. So sometimes it displayed output, sometimes it's not display the output. That is the basic difference between a procedure and the function. And it is used to perform one or more DML operation. So what are the syntax of a store procedure? That is create or alter procedure name and parameters if any, and statement we will write. So there are two kind of parameters in since that while declaring function in the Python or Java, we are writing global variables. So these are called parameter, which take the output, or the keyword variable length parameters are there in the Python. So let us go to the SSMS and see that how procedure is worked, and how we can create a procedure, and how we can see the output of the procedure. First, we will create a table with the employee name so that we can uh, increase the salary of the employee by 1000. So first create a table. So we have created a table and inserted 6 row in it, with the column name, employee ID, employee name, and salary. So we want to increase all the salary of the employee. There are 6 employee in this particular table, but in the real time it is thousand of tables. So suppose there is a task to increase, do the increment or give the increment to all the employee in a particular company. So we will create a procedure, and after that we will increment the salary by 1000. So let us create a procedure for that. So when we drag it and press the execute button, so it will create a procedure with the procedure name update cell. See, and here we can see the procedure also. In the programmability, there is a option store procedure. See it. It is created a procedure with the name update sal. We have to execute the procedure by writing execute command. Suppose first we see that previously the salary will be 15,000, 1,500, 200, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 4,000, 4,500. So we want to increase all the employee salary with 1,000. So just we will execute the update sal. We will execute it, and now let us see what will happen. See, all the employees salary got increment by 1,000. Now suppose we want to increase a particular employee salary by 2,000. Suppose in a company only few people got the increment, or one people got increment, rest no other people. So how to do that? So here we will use parameters. So these, in the first example we see that it is without a parameter, but now we will see a example where we have a parameter. So we will write create name should be unique. We will write parameters employee number int, because we want to increase a particular employee with particular amount, and we will write the amount parameter also, amount money as So now we have created a new procedure where we can update a particular employee salary by particular amount only. So let us execute it. Execute update salary. Suppose we want to increase the salary of the employee ID 4. So 4, first we see that what is the employee salary. So 4 employee salary is 4,000. We want to increase this 4,000 to 900. So we will write first 4 comma 9,000. We will do the execute, and after that we will go align, select it. Let's see what will happen. See that Yukti salary was 5,000, and after that 4,000, and after that when we update it by 9,000, so it got added and it become 13,000. So this is the example of procedure with parameters. So one more thing, we can create a procedure with output parameter also. Let us see what is example of that. Suppose there is a task to create a procedure to increment a specific employee salary by specific amount, and after increment send the updated salary to the calling program. So here we have to write create or alter updation. So we have created a procedure with the create or alter procedure name. We have created the parameter employee number. It should be unique. That's the reason I have used this double O. This is not a typo error. And after that amount, new salary, and we have update the employee salary, and that updated salary will be displayed with the name new sal. And since we have to give the output to the calling function, so we have to write a output parameter here. Now we will execute it. Execute updation So these are the way by which we can create the procedure. There are three way. One is without parameter, one is without with parameter, one is with output parameter, and one is with default. So generally we don't use with default, but sometime we use it. It is very easy. In the parameter only, suppose amount money, so we will write equal to, and we will write 5000. So if we forgot to give the amount na, so automatically it will take that 5000. So these are the way to create the procedure.